Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you friends? I hope you all fine and good. Today I'm back with very beautiful, very stylish and very trendy ideas of mehndi designs for back and side. Guys, in this video you will see beautiful and amazing ideas of mehndi design. So I hope you love all the designs, all the ideas. Because in this video I have uploaded more stylish and beautiful ideas of mehndi designs just for back and side, and with the hope that this collection and these ideas is very useful for you. As you can see in this video, all designs are very beautiful, very stylish, very attractive. So I hope you love all the designs, all the ideas. So if you have any knowledge about making mehndi, then you can make these types of beautiful mehndi designs on their hand themselves by getting many ideas, many designs from this video. So all designs are very beautiful, very stylish. So I hope you love all the designs, all the ideas. आज इस वीडियो में आपके लिए मेहंदी डिज़ाइंस के डिफरेंट आइडियाज़ हैं, वो भी जस्ट बैक एंड साइड के लिए। तो उम्मीद है कि आपको तमाम डिज़ाइन, तमाम आइडियाज़ बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आएंगे। डिफरेंट टाइप के मेहंदी डिज़ाइंस आप यहाँ से सिलेक्ट कर सकती हैं। अगर आपको मेहंदी लगाना आती है तो आप इजीली अपने हाथों पे अप्लाई कर सकती हैं यहाँ से डिज़ाइन सेलेक्ट करके, और आप अपनी किसी सिस्टर, फ्रेंड या कज़न से भी लगवा सकते हैं अगर उनको मेहंदी लगाना आती है तो। इस वीडियो में आपको जस्ट बैक एंड साइड मेहंदी डिज़ाइंस के डिफरेंट आइडियाज़ मिलेंगे, और उम्मीद है कि आपको तमाम डिज़ाइन और तमाम आइडियाज़ बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आएंगे, और ये भी उम्मीद है कि ये वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत ही यूज़फुल साबित होगी। तो कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताइएगा कि आपको मेहंदी डिज़ाइंस के ये आइडियाज़ कैसे लगे और किस टाइप के आप वीडियोस देखना चाहती हैं, सो दैट आई कैन अपलोड माय नेक्स्ट वीडियोस अकॉर्डिंग टू योर चॉइस एंड डिमांड आल्सो, because your choice is very important for me. So guys, if you're loving all the beautiful and stylish ideas of mehndi design, so please do also like my video and subscribe my channel, and also click bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get my new videos notification and you never miss any video or any collection on my channel. Guys, you will get many ideas, many hints from my videos, so don't miss any video and watch my videos till the end for getting beautiful and stunning ideas that I have uploaded only for you, with the hope that my ideas is very useful for you. And I always trying to bring a useful collection for you, so don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to like and share my videos. I need your help, so please help me, support me for sharing my videos with your friends and relatives. See you soon in next video. Till then, take care of you and your family a lot. Remember me in your precious prayers, and one thing more, you can also tell me in comment section how you like my videos, and you can also suggest me in comment section what kind of videos would you like to see on my channel. So guys, take care and Allah Hafiz.